Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code with Remotion to build videos with AI. This powerful combination lets you automate your video creation process from start to finish. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can check this by running node-v in your terminal. If you don't have it, head over to nodejs.org to download the latest stable version. Next, download Claude Code from claude.com/download and install it. This gives you Anthropic's power right in your command line. You'll need an Anthropic API key. I suggest having a $5 to $10 credit in the API section, which you can find under your profile. This makes it much easier to manage your usage. For the best experience, use the Chrome browser and install and activate the Claude extension from Claude itself. Avoid any third-party extensions. This will be incredibly helpful to view your project while you're working. Navigate to your project, enter npm start, and you'll see that the Remotion Studio opens up in Chrome. This is where your video components come to life. Here's where it gets interesting. Open your project in your editor and then use Claude Code to describe the scene you want. Ask it to write the Remotion code for a new component. Claude will generate the TypeScript and Remotion code, handling all the complex video logic, keyframes, and animations based on your description. It's like having a senior developer by your side. Save the file and you'll see the changes instantly in the Remotion preview. You can iterate quickly by asking Claude to refine the colors, timing, or layout until it's perfect. When you're ready to export, you can either in the terminal type mpx render, or in the Chrome browser, click the render button above the tracks. And stay tuned, a deep dive Remotion and Claude tutorial is coming soon. For even better results, use the AI Prompt Forge to create 10 times prompts for Claude Code. Go to AInovitas.com, select AI_prompt_forge from the free prompt builder, and create your free prompt to get high quality scripts. You've just mastered the workflow for automating videos with Claude Code and Remotion. Think, create, evolve.